Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an amazing shield effect in Unreal Engine. We'll use materials, Niagara effects, and blueprint scripting to make it attach to a character and activate with a key press. Let's get started. Open Material Editor and create a new material named Shield. Create a Fresnel effect. You can preview the node by right-click and choose Preview. Add Power node to make the effect stronger. Subtract it with a noise texture to create an animated edge. Add noise node. Tweak the setting like this. Subtract it with a noise texture. Cool, now we have nice edge. Next, we will animate noise with absolute world position. Add world position, absolute, and connect it to a time node. Multiply with a speed control parameter. Press 3 on the keyboard to quickly create vector 3 parameter. Connect output to the noise world position. Perfect, we have the animated edge. Add saturate node and adjust the grayscale. Next, use 3-color blend for coloring. Blend colors based on the Fresnel. Tweak color to meet your effect style. Adjust noise level for more soft. Let revert the noise effect. Set the material domain to surface and blend mode to translucent. Shading to unlit. Connect output color to emissive color and Fresnel output to opacity. Perfect. Let's test the material. Add sphere to the scene and attach our material to it. Very nice, but we need it interact with the environment. So, let's add depth fade interaction. Add a depth fade node, reverse it and add with Fresnel to get the final output. Awesome, now it can interact with objects around the scene. Okay, now we have material ready. Next we will create Niagara system. From content browser, create a new emitter named any shield. Select mesh renderer template. Ensure the mesh is spherical or fits your shield effect. Assign M shield to the mesh renderer. Keep only the mesh renderer. Delete any extra components to optimize performance. Compile and save. Create a new Niagara system named NS Shield. Inherit from any shield to reuse the emitter settings. Now let's delete the sphere from the scene. We will attach new Niagara to character. Open character blueprint. Attach NS shield to the character skeletal mesh. Adjust the position to align with the character. If the VFX size is not fit with character, change it from emitter. In event graph, use set deactive to disable it initially. Okay, let's test. The effect is not display, mean the script logic worked. Now let's use alternate from keyboard and click to the link to disconnect. We will see the shield effect on the character. Cool. But wait. It's not moving with character. No worry, we will fix it right now. Let's move the Niagara FX to character mesh. Not working. Open NS Shield, and select Emitter component. Search space keyboard and the property, set it to local. Let's try again. The shield now following character. Congratulations, we've fixed the issue. Next, create key binding for activation. Add an E-input action node. Use a flip-flop node to toggle activation on and off. Connected to set active and deactive for NS Shield. Add a timeline node to scale the VFX smoothly. Use a float curve to control the shield size over time. Connect active to play input, deactive to reverse input. As update output, we will set particle scale like this. Cool, let's check it out. I'm press E from keyboard. The particle raising bigger. But the size is too big. Maybe I set the scale high value in the timeline. Let's open the timeline and reduce it. Perfect, the particle size looking good, and I can press E to active or deactive the shield. Final, let's add reflection to our shield. Open the shield material. Set reflection mode to pixel normal offset. And use reverse noise as input. Perfect, now we have some reflection to the character material. we created a dynamic shield effect using Unreal's material system, Niagara, and blueprints. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Unreal Engine tutorials.